Hello everyone and welcome back to Martin's Assembly Haven. For this video, we've got another very exciting mechanical model from Eagle Digi, and that, folks, is a mechanical crab. This metal puzzle comes in two colours, red and green. See that core right in the middle? There's an actual LED in there that can be activated by using the magic wand. The magic wand can also be purchased with this crab, or you can simply just use one single magnet to activate that light right in that core. And I don't know about you guys, but the actual box looks really cool, really quite different and interesting. It's very appealing. Right, let's crack this open and see what we've got in here. So we've got our instructions right here, and I can tell you they look very detailed and very colourful. Is this just me, but when you look at this kit, everything looks really quite pink. Not that that's an issue with me, it's just that it's supposed to be a red crab, but once we build the actual model, it might just look red because of all the metal parts that will be underneath all the shells. At a closer inspection, as you can see, this is the actual body shell, and it does look really quite nice red to me anyways. And the kit does come with this little guy. It's got a magnet right here, and I've got this feeling this will be to activate that LED light in its core. Let's get everything out of this box, see exactly what we've got, and start the build. So the kit came with quite a few tools and actually metal tweezers, which is really quite nice because a lot of kits give you plastic tweezers and they're actually not that much use. When we look at actual screws, nuts and washers and anything small like that, it's not actually that small. I have dealt with way smaller parts than that, and a good example is Mantis. Those pieces on that were incredibly tiny. So yeah, that is a pretty good sign. And we've got 4 packets altogether of the rest of the metal pieces. The recommended time for this kit build is 4 to 5 hours, which sounds fair enough, but there is one thing that's a bit really odd, and I wonder if this is done on purpose. You know how many parts this kit has? 666. Yeah, 666. And I'm like, this crab isn't from hell or anything, is it? Or is this going to be a hell of a build maybe? I'm not too sure. Alrighty folks, it's time to build this magic looking kit, and make sure you go and check out Eagle Digi models. I've got a link in the comment section and the description. Trust me, they have got some incredible looking stuff. And of course, there's going to be a promo code to save you a little bit of money. Use my promo code Martins to receive 10% off on all the kits. And make sure you leave a like for this video, subscribe for more, and give this video a share to anyone who might enjoy this. And let's begin. all done, folks, and take a look at this mechanical crab. Look at all those details, that looks absolutely amazing. It's so steampunky looking and so lifelike, that is quite incredible. And what an amazing size as well, by the way. Look at that, you can hold it like that, and on display this would look absolutely fantastic. We can close and open the claws. It might look a bit hard, but you can just loosen some screws. Same as with legs and eyes. You can move those around. And don't forget, we've got our little magnetic wand right here, and we can turn the light on that is right in here. And if you turn off the lights, it would look really cool. And I also like how it's got a few modes. That is really quite amazing. And I'm not going to go in too much detail about this whole model and assembly because I want you to experience it basically, and trust me, you will absolutely love it. It's very straightforward and quite easy to build, to be honest. There are a couple of tricky parts, but nothing major at all. Instructions were literally spot on. Not a single mistake or nothing hard to understand basically. And the best thing that I loved about this kit is how the screw bags were basically laid out for each step. It made it so easy, so straightforward to build. Absolutely loved it. And you know how long it took me to build this? It was just around 5 hours, but I'm pretty sure it would have been quicker if I wasn't filming. The only thing I would say about this model, it's not a big deal at all of course, but I just wish that these actual shells were just slightly more red. I think they're a bit too pinkish. I think it should have been a little bit more vibrant, but that's not a big deal at all obviously. It still looks absolutely fantastic. And don't forget, if you fancied, you can get this metal one with the crab because it just looks a little bit cooler, a little bit more steampunky, just like this crab. And then of course just get it close to that light and it will turn it on just like that. That is absolutely incredible. Oh well, now this model can join my marine life models, and yeah, again, I absolutely love this model. So cool, really good weight on it as well, by the way. And I so hope you enjoyed this video, so please make sure you leave a like for this video, subscribe for more, and share this video around. That would be massively appreciated, guys. And make sure you go and check out Eagle Digi models on their website. There's a link in comments section and description, and don't forget to use my promo code Martins to save 10% off on everything. And thank you so much for watching, everybody. I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.